Okay, hello everyone. Very easy questions from anesthesia. They were all PYQs. I hope you all got them correct. Even when I asked them on the group, people were like, हाँ anesthesia, हाँ PYQ में से आ गया. Easy. Okay, so very easy questions. We've discussed it already in our notes as well. So the first question was to identify this needle. So this is the Tuhoy epidural needle. How to identify this epidural needle? I had told you all that it has two flanges or two wings to hold it, and you have alternate light and dark markings, and it is used for giving epidural anesthesia. Second question was this: what is the drug of choice as IV induction agent in daycare surgery? So the answer for this is propofol. Simple, straightforward. As you all know, propofol is short acting and it gets metabolized easily. Patient wakes up quickly from propofol. It is anti-emetic, antipruritic, and also it has least side effects, so preferred in daycare surgery. Then the question was to identify the Malampatti grade. As I had predicted, every time they give Malampatti in the exam, I told you all in the marathon class as well. So they had given the picture of Malampatti class 1. As you guys can see in the picture, the entire uvula was seen over here. So that was the Malampatti class 1. The whole uvula was seen, the base of the uvula, body, as well as the hanging tip of the uvula. So it was easy. Malampatti class, and they had also asked Malampatti class 1 is easy or difficult airway. So it was Malampatti class 1, easy airway. Okay. The fourth question, I did not get it completely. It was something about a patient undergoing surgery and suddenly his EtCO2 dropped from 15 to 5. Now, I need to know the complete question for that to be able to answer it. Some of you all said it is because of anesthetic agent. Some of you all said it was because of pulmonary embolism. But I think that I will be able to answer it better when I get the complete question. And I will do that in the formal recall. So till then, we had very simple questions in anesthesia, and I hope all of you all made these correct because they were all taught before. Thank you and take care.